only one extra important thing, that a static member, either a static variable or a static method inside a class, the static member cannot use a non-static member. Why that? Because simply the static member is on the class level, so it cannot have an access to any object state or members. For example, here the default or the simple example about a static method or a helper method is the main method here. See, it's a static method. Why is the main method a static method? Because it is on the level of the class, your class, and it's just a helper method that it will be called by the compiler or the Java runtime to start your program. So it's not specific to any object or instance you create from your class. It's just a helper method, a generic helper method. So we define it as a static for that purpose. And what I'm talking about, that for example here inside the main method, you cannot go and use any of the non-static members here from your class. So if you go and write something, try to use something like here, get store name, you have a syntax error. You cannot do like that. Or even try to use the store name see, cannot make a static reference to the non-static field store name. So you cannot call a non-static field from inside a static method. But what you can do is you can go and call the static member the next store ID, for example. That's totally okay. So you can go like that or increment it, for example. Why you can call this member or field? Because it's a static field. Look, it's a static field. So you can use a static field from inside a static method. That's okay. But you cannot reference or call a non-static field or member from inside a static member. Remember that. Thank you, and I hope that I made it clear for you.